Hello friend, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a hem, a dress shirt hem. Step by step, easy to follow. If you guys want to short your dress shirt down, or you are making a new dress shirt and you are in difficulty of how to do a beautiful hem, today is the day you are going to learn it. I'm doing this shirt and now I'm in the part of doing the hem, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it step by step like a professional tailor. So let's go to the table and let's start our work. So here we have our shirt, and this is in the table. First step here is to go to the machine, and we are going to get this point here that we already folded and we already pressed it with our iron. So we fold and we press it. This is the step of doing the part where you guys are going to put the buttonhole of the shirt and the hose. So the first step here is to go in the machine, and you guys are going to turn this like this once, and you are going to make a stitch right in this part here, about 1.5 centimeters in this side and in the other side of your shirt as well. So pay attention here. This is folded the right way. You are going to get the shirt. You are going to turn to the back of the shirt only one time, hold like this, and you are going to make a stitch right here, 1.5 centimeters. That's the first step. I'm going to do it and I'm going to be right back. So here we are back. We just did it like here and the other point as well. So now we are going to get your scissor and we are going to cut from the edge of the fabric to the stitch. Don't cut the stitch, about 1.5 centimeters from the point here, from the end of the side. Cut like this, and here you can already turn this. To make it easier, you go to the point of the stitch like this, press it like this, and turn it inside out like this. This is how it's going to be, but after we turn it, we got one more step that I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to do the same thing as I did in that point, that is cutting. Only get this fabric, don't get this back fabric as well. Only the first one, you get it. Okay, now this part is very important because this is going to dictate if your hem is going to be beautiful or not. And that part is the pressing. You are going to fold it about 0.5 centimeter from this edge to touch the sewing that you did there, and you're going to press it all the way to the other point of the shirt. So just like I'm doing here, you are going to do it there. Like this. In this part, you don't need to rush it. Take your time to do it. You you don't need to do a too thick of a fold. Do about half centimeters. So I'm going to do mine, and we get back to the next step. Okay, we just got here to the point. So the next step is you are going to get back from the other side again, and we are going to turn it one more time. So you can clean the shirt by cutting these few threads that goes off the fabric. Okay, next step is you are going to do it again. You are going to fold it one more time, just like that. This is how thick our hem is going to turn out when it's done. This is very important to press, because when you are going to go to iron that like this, because when you are going to the machine, this becomes very easy. If you guys don't iron this like I'm doing here before going to the machine, you are going to have a hard time in completing this stitching, this hem, with the same quality, the same thickness, because this is in the bias, this part here, this curve, and it gets really tricky to do it without iron that. So if you want a good quality work, make sure you are not going to skip this step by step. So I'm going to finish mine, and I get back with you guys in the next step, that is going to be the stitching part. Okay, after completing that, the next step is to fold these edges, and to do that you're going to fold this, press it, and now it's super easy for you to do it, and you can get something pointy to help you turn it all the way like this. Okay, now just iron, and we're going to do it the same in the other point. like that. And now we are going to go to the machine to finally stitch this hem. So here we are in the machine. That's the sewing part. I'm going to start from the point of the neck here, and our hem it's here, but I want this stitch to be all done in one stitch with no break, with no ending and starting. I want it to be clean on only one stitch. So this is another trick that you guys can do in your shirts as well, because this looks much more beautiful than to be done it separated. Okay, so here we are in the hem. Take a few steps forward here and just pull your fabric a little bit. It's going to make it much easier for you guys. So pull a little bit and stitch. Go all the way. And we are getting in the end of the hem. So that's complete if you guys are just doing the hem. But I'm doing the hem and the front of the shirt, so I'm going to sew it onto the top of the shirt. And that's it. So let's go to the iron to iron it and press it. So here we are. As you can see, this is not even pressed yet, not even iron, and we can see that it lays down perfectly. It's not rolling, it's not doing any defect. So now I'm going to iron that so you guys can see that it gets even better. So this is the inside part. Let's see the outside part. The outside is going to be just like that. See, the stitch goes here and it goes up like here. Let's focus. Here the stitch goes here to the point and it goes up, and the inside it looks like that. Very clean in the inside part and in the outside part. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys learned something. I hope this video was useful for you guys, and please like this video, share, comment this video. I will answer all your comments, and in the future I'm planning to make a group for us to chat about some of your doubts, some of your things that you guys want me to teach you better. So hope this video was useful for you guys. See you in the next time, and please share, follow and subscribe to this channel. So goodbye and see you in the next time.